Well, was I introduced to a guy that introduced me to the streets. I told him that I'm trying to escape what happened to me 10 years ago. He said the needle was what I need. I told him that I'm here on earth, existing but not living. He said sit back and be at ease. I told him that I'm running away from my past keep coming back to me. He said, let me put this needle in your arm, please. He placed that needle in my arm and that needle became my best friend indeed. Then it was like the needle stopped consuming me. It was like my best friend betrayed me. So I went back to the guy that introduced me to the streets. I said I'm no longer at ease, and now I can't even sleep. What? He said take these pills and let your mind be free. I took those pills and those pills became my second best friend indeed. It was like my past had left me. Until that night I went to sleep, what happened to me 10 years ago came back to me in my dreams. So I went back to the guy that introduced me to the streets. I said I can sleep, but what happened to me 10 years ago is coming back to me in my dreams. He said sniff on this cocaine and I bet you'll forget everything. I sniffed on that cocaine became my third best friend indeed. I fell deeply, deeply in love with that cocaine, but that cocaine did not love me. It was like it used me, because one day I did not sniff it, and my past came back to haunt me. It was like the cocaine was mad at me. Then I went to sleep, tossing and turning. I said, God, why me? Why I'm still hurting? Why what happened to me 10 years ago is coming back to control me. Then I heard God say, let it go and give it to me. Then that morning I woke up good and refreshing. And then this time I did not go back to the guy that introduced me to the streets. He came to me. He said, I haven't seen you in a while. I told you that them drugs make you forget everything. I said no. The needle and the drugs and my arm did not ease my pain. It just left me a scar. And those pills did not erase my memory. And that cocaine did not make me forget anything. But Psalms 23 in the Bible. I said Psalms 23 in the Bible. When God said He restored my soul, oh, He did that. And the words in the Bible is comforting me. I am at ease. And guess what? I can finally sleep. And what happened to me 10 years ago will not and could not. I said would not and could not control me. I am finally